All right, everybody. So we have an African whip scorpion here. See this? It's missing one of its appendages, but we're gonna see if I can get it on my face. I don't know. We're gonna try. If he's gonna like this or not. You're gonna go up here. Or you're gonna come on. Woo. You're going real slow.
How's that feeling?
It's fine as long as we don't get my eye. Alright. Holy shit, it's on my face. Okay.
Any regrets?
No, not at all. I love this stuff. I mean, it's great. Just like, hi.
Come on, guys, put this on your face.